If you are suffering from any of the physical or psychological pain, then this video is for you. This is Sanjiv Malik from Self Awakening Mission, New Delhi, India. The technique is very simple. This is a simple pain removal technique. So what you have to do is, let's say you have pain in your back, you have pain in your chest, you have pain in your stomach or some other area. And this pain is constantly there and you have taken all medical care and everything, and still this pain is there. So what you have to do is simply, you put your attention on that area. Let's say the pain is on the back, and you feel the pain. You feel the area of the pain, and that area, I will request you to imagine that there is a balloon. Your pain is in the shape of balloon. Okay? Your pain is in the shape of balloon, and you can feel that balloon. You can simply feel that balloon. This balloon is your pain, and the pain is really balloon. Okay? Now, I will repeat this technique and you will simply get so much benefit. You will simply get rid of all the pain. So when I do this thing step by step with you, so you just imagine. Okay? So put all your attention on that area of the pain and feel that balloon. Okay? Close your eyes and put all your attention on the balloon. This pain is balloon and you can feel that, and the size is very small of the balloon size is very small. And now let me increase the size of the balloon, and accordingly your pain will increase, but you still be able to bear it. Okay? So the balloon is at size 0 and the pain you can feel is minimum. Okay? Balloon size has become 1. Balloon size has become 1. Pain is increasing. Balloon size has become 2. Pain is increasing more. Balloon size is 3. Pain is increasing even more. Balloon size is increasing 4. Pain is increasing even more, and balloon size is reached to the maximum, which is 5. And this is such a big balloon, and you are feeling the pain at its maximum, and you can still bear it. You can still bear it. Now I'm reducing the balloon size, and the pain will reduce. Now the balloon size has come from 5 to 4, and you can still bear it, and the pain is reduced. Now the balloon size is 3, the pain is reduced. Balloon size is 2, the pain is even reduced. And balloon size is 1 and the pain is further reduced, and the balloon size is 0 and the pain is further reduced. Once more, I will increase the balloon size and you will feel the increase in the pain. Okay, the pain is 0, balloon is 0. Now the pain is increasing. Balloon size is increasing. Balloon size has become from 0 to 1, and you can still feel the pain. The pain is increased. Now you can still feel the pain. Now the balloon size become 2, pain is become more. Balloon size become 3, pain is more. Balloon size become 4, balloon size is more. Balloon size become 5, and the pain is maximum, but you can still bear it. You can still feel that pain still there. Now I'm reducing it. Now balloon size come from 5 to 4, and the pain is reduced to 4. Balloon size become 3, pain is reduced even more, and balloon size has become 2, the pain is reduced to 2. Balloon size become 1, the pain is reduced even further, and balloon size has become 0, and the pain is reduced to 0. Okay? Now what you have to do is, you simply increase once more the last time, and like from 0 to 1, the balloon size will become 0 to 1, and you can feel the pain now. Balloon size become 1 to 2, and you can still feel it. It become 3, the pain is increased to 3. The 4, pain is increased to 4. It become 5, and pain is increased to 5. Now see this balloon. This balloon is the most problematic thing, and once you can blow this balloon, all pain will go. At the count of 1, 2, 3, simply you can simply have to blow this balloon. Okay, 1, get ready. 2, get ready. As I said, 3 is simply blow this balloon, and 1, 2, and 3. Now feel the pain. Can you feel the pain now? If it was originally 10 out of 10, now how much is that now? If you can feel any change in the pain, definitely please comment us. Thank you very much. For more such videos, please subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much.